Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the power button or the on-off button on your iPhone device. So if you've been using your device lately and you've started to notice that the power button isn't functioning right, there are fortunately a few fixes that you can try and resolve this issue. Okay guys, so one of the first fixes you can try is to actually go ahead and restart your iPhone device. So you actually might be thinking, well, I actually can't restart it because the power button isn't working, and even if I am to turn it off, I won't be able to turn it on because the actual button is malfunctioning. However, if you actually go ahead and power down your iPhone, which you can do in settings, if you go in and plug in your iPhone once it is off, this will automatically power up the device, so you won't have to worry about that at all. So to go ahead and restart your iPhone, you can go into settings, and once you're in here, you want to go to general, and then you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then you can just go ahead and press shutdown, and this will power down your device. And once it is off, you then just want to go ahead, plug in the charging cable, and this will go ahead and restart the device. So the next fix you can try is to actually go ahead and clean the power button itself. So I'm just going to bring the power button up to the microphone and just show you guys what the button should sound like. So as you can hear, there's a really nice audible click that you should be getting from the power button. However, if you have your phone in your pocket or your backpack on a regular basis, this button can actually fill up with dirt and dust and grime, and this can actually prevent the button from clicking. So you want to go ahead and clean this, and one of the best ways to do this is to go ahead and get a toothbrush, and you just want to thoroughly get into the crevices of the power button and just dislodge any kind of dirt or maybe small amounts of dust that might be in there. And you just want to be quite thorough and trying to remove any dust that may be built up. And alternatively, you can go ahead and get maybe a toothpick or a similar object and just go ahead and dislodge anything that may be in there. Okay guys, so another tip you can try is to actually go ahead and keep pressing the power button on and off quite quickly for a couple of minutes. So the actual button might be malfunctioning, it might have become loose. So you can go ahead and try and fix this just by pressing quite hard and then just repeating this as well. And just keep pressing this. And again, just try this for a couple of minutes, as this just may reconnect the button to the iPhone, and this will allow you to start using it again as well. So another fix you can try is to actually go ahead and remove the phone case that you might be using on your iPhone device. So I know from my own personal experiences, especially if you are using one of the chunkier cases for your iPhone device, this can actually prevent the power button from working correctly, as it's actually very thick and it doesn't allow you to push it in. So you just want to go ahead and remove the phone case from your device, and then you just want to go ahead and retry the power button and see if that is actually causing the issue. So if none of these fixes have worked for you so far, the next thing you can try is to actually go ahead and update the iOS on your iPhone. So depending on the iPhone model you do have and also the iOS you are running, there actually may be a conflict between the hardware and the software. So an update to the most recent iOS is a really good way to fix this. And you can simply do this by going into settings and then scroll down to general. And then you want to go to software update. And once you're in here, you just want to go ahead and press download and install, and this will bring you up to the most recent version of the iOS. So if you've come this far and your power button is still not working, this is quite unfortunate. However, there is a built-in functionality in the iPhone that can still allow you to operate the iPhone even when the power button is off. So this is something called assistive touch, and you can actually find this in the setting. And if you scroll down to accessibility, and then if you scroll down to touch, and then you just want to go ahead and press assistive touch, and then you want to go ahead and turn this on. And as you can see, as soon as I turn this on, we now have this floating square button that kind of hovers around the perimeter of the iPhone screen. So if I go ahead and tap on this, this will allow me some extra functions that I can then control my iPhone with. So if I want to go back to home, if I want to go to the control center, or if I even want to go ahead and power down my device, I can do this all within the assistive touch area of the iPhone device. So there you have it guys. There's a few simple tips and tricks that you can try to get the power button working again on your iPhone device. So if any of these fixes have worked for you, or maybe you've found your own, please share it down below in the comments section, as you'll be helping many other iPhone users out there to fix the same problem. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.